All right, breaking news coming in at this moment. The molester Baba has been arrested and lands in the net of the Delhi police. A 5-day police custody has been granted for this man who was running an ashram. The self-styled godman accused of sexually harassing 17 women at an ashram in Delhi has been arrested in Agra. The director of a privately run management institute, the Shri Shraddha Institute of Indian Management in Delhi's posh Vasant Kunj area, Swami Chaitanyananda Saraswati, faces complaints ranging from using abusive language, sending lewd texts to women, and forced physical contact. Has now been arrested after he was on the run by the Delhi police. My colleague Anushka joins me with more details at this moment. Anushka, very important this development. 5-day police custody. Now the investigators will have a go at this Baba for the various allegations which have been made against him.
That's right, Ankit. We are seeing that the Delhi police, in a major significant breakthrough, they have arrested Swami Chaitanyananda, who was the director of, Sai Shraddha Institute, where he has been, in fact, accused of harassing multiple women. More than a dozen women have recorded this statement at the Patiala House Court, stating that he used to molest and harass them, and also he used to, in fact, threaten them that he will deduct the marks of students who will not comply with any of his demands. We're also seeing that he was on the run for more than 50 days. And Delhi police have arrested him from Agra at hotel. First, he was staying. He had in fact also changed 15 different hotels while he was on the run. He was shifting his location from Vrindavan, Mathura, and Agra, and he was circulating between these places so that he can in fact hide himself in plain sight. But we are seeing that in a major breakthrough, Delhi police have arrested him and have in fact also taken him in the police custody for 5 days. We are seeing that this Baba faces serious allegations. The institute have in fact also said that they have severed all kind of ties with Swami Chaitanyananda, and they are in fact also saying that they are ready to help with all the investigation that is going on. We did see that there was a argument between the counsel of accused and the Delhi police. The Delhi police had said that he will, if he is not taken into police custody, he will try to, tamper with the evidences, and not just that, he will also try to threaten people who were there to record their statement. But we are seeing that now he's sent in police custody. The counsel for accused had said that the Delhi police had forced him to change out of his robe. While we are seeing that he was a monk, Delhi police was in fact trying to put force on this fact that for the investigation they need this police custody, and we are seeing that he has been sent for a 5-day police custody. Over to you.